Okay, so there's this little creek back here, and when I was back home, there was a creek where I kept wanting to go down in the creek, but I was too scared. It was kind of steep. But I'm going down here. And Cleo, come on, Cleo. She said she ain't fooling with me. Stay close. I'm gonna go and see. Let me see if I can turn this around. This phone don't do like the other one. Hold on. It wasn't that steep. Come on, Cleo. Stay. She keep running the other direction. I'm gonna walk around because these kids be coming down here and then they come out the other side. So I just want to see. You see his water down there? There's little stuff we take for granted, but this is the Most High giving provision. Like, what if something happened and we don't have access to our modern conveniences, right? But I'm sure that I can find anything that I may really need to survive down here. This is really wet. Look. I wonder where that water coming from. That's a flow. Come on, Cleo. Stay close. Right. Gotta be careful. Those got thorns. Let's see. Am I gonna go back the other direction? Nope. I'm gonna follow it around. It's a log right here. Oh, that's a fallen tree. Look at that. That's a sewer. There's water, right? You can survive without food, but you can only survive 3 days without water. But even though it's nasty, there's water right there. I'm sure it can be purified in some kind of way. Oh, this is soft. That's firm. There's water right there. These trees done fell down here. It's some big trees. I was looking at that the other day. Like, I hope don't none fall on the buildings, but it looked like they done in a way that even if they did, we would still be protected. Let me see. I'm getting through here. These kids are smaller. They can get through these little spaces. I'm just trying not to get caught up in no thorns or slide down, slip down to something that's gonna hurt me. I know it's a way through here because they be coming out on the other side. I just hope I ain't gotta get wet to get through. Cleo! We making it, y'all. I'm still here. Water right there. I can still see the edge. Some vines right here. Some bird nests. And it be ravens and stuff calling from me over here. Maybe that's what they be telling me to come. I've been wanting to. Ooh. Y'all. Oh, how I get out here? Oh, hold on. It's wet right here. Maybe I should have asked them kids to show me how to get through here. Oh, but look, I can stand up now. I'm almost there. I don't know how to get through that part. Hold on. And so you gotta follow the water, the flow of the water. There's some big thorns right there. I don't know if I want to go through there. But that's how, let me see. Go this way. If I have to, I just have to turn around and go back. Oh, there's some big thorns too. How them kids be getting through here? Let me see. Cleo! She said, I'm not. Okay. I'm going to go the other way and then come down the other way and see if I can figure out how they be getting through. Unless they might cross over right here. Yeah, let's see. I hear you, Cleo. This is solid. Hey, trees. Lord, I really got to be trusting you to do this. Okay, I hear them, but I can't get out. I'm going to go the other way. I'm going to go back. Oh, Lord. My grandparents calling. Let me answer the phone. Hold on. Okay, so that was a nice conversation with my granny. And I didn't find my way out. I had to turn around and come back out. But the kids going to teach me how to get through there one day. They said it's easy. Apparently, I missed it. Come on, friend. So, I don't know. Y'all have a good day.